If you're new here, welcome to my brand new DIY channel. My name is Maureen. In this video, we'll be doing Chanel knockoff $8 perfume bottles. Let's get started. These are all the products that I used. That glass block was only $6 from Michael's after the 40% off coupon. I used Jenga blocks, a cardboard box from my son's candy, and just a bunch of bling from Dollar Tree, flowers from Dollar Tree, my hot glue gun, and some bling from Michael's. I added about 12 flower heads. I made sure to take off the green part, and when I was having trouble moving them around, I just took a little barbecue skewer to move them around. This is so beautiful. There are so many ways you can do these boxes, but this is my preference. So I had also taken 4 Jenga blocks the night before and glued them together, and I also painted them with my white chalk paint. I didn't end up using this piece because it's too big, as you can see, but I'm still going to use this footage just to show you kind of how to put this together. So I end up using 2 pieces because it was thinner. So I just took all my bling and I put everything together. I literally just stuck on the bling and it sticks right on, cut it to size, and it was super easy. I didn't even need to use any hot glue. I made sure to put the bling strips on every single side, just in case you see it from behind. For my base, I just used that cardboard candy box, put it in a circle, hot glued it, and then I wrapped bling around it. And this is what I got after hot gluing everything together, and I also added those little bling CC letters for Chanel. Is this not absolutely beautiful? I've been wanting to do one of these perfume bottles actually for years now, and I always knew I wanted to do roses, but I'm so glad that I decided to do the Dollar Tree ones because they're super affordable and they're so pretty, and as you can see, it matches my vanity area so well. I just love soft pink. It's even my living room decor, in both my living rooms actually. That's how much I love pink. So but I just want to add, you can do this so many different ways. You can print out CC letters, you can write actually the word Chanel. There's so many possibilities. I just wanted to show how I did mine. I just want to say thanks for watching my brand new channel, and if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. Stick around.